Did you know video is the best type of lead magnet that has the highest conversion rates? Now, this is good news if you're tired of creating PDFs, checklists, ebooks, and other types of text-based lead magnets. So video is king in 2024 and beyond. Now, a good way to increase the value of video is by running what I call an online summit. So it's essentially a multi-day online event where you share videos of various speakers talking about a specific subject or topic in your niche. Now, these videos could be your own as well, or they could be videos of others that you find online. Now, by the end of this video, you'll learn how to build a summit funnel that you can start promoting immediately. Now, if you're struggling to collect leads for your online business, I created free sales funnels templates that you can use today to start collecting all types of leads. You can even promote various videos and text-based lead magnets. Now, if you want access to this free library of sales funnels templates, just click the link in my description. I'm always building out new sales funnels. I just created this interactive launch sequence funnel and this flash sale profits maximizer funnel just this past weekend. Now, if you click the link in my description, not only will you get access to this sales funnels templates library, I'll also share with you a link where you can enroll in a 10-day challenge where you'll learn how to launch an online business profitably. Okay. Now, the summit funnel that I'm going to show you today is a 4-step funnel, and it starts with the opt-in page. So the opt-in page is very simple. It describes what the summit is going to be about, and people can add their first name and their email. Now, once they opt in, they are taken to step 2, which is the order form page. Now, in the order form page, this is actually very powerful because even though this is a free lead magnet, you could actually start getting profitable with this sales funnel because on the order form page, you can actually sell the recordings of the summit, maybe the speaker notes, any type of additional material that goes along with each of the speakers. You can actually sell them on this order form page. And whether or not they decide to purchase, they then get taken to the thank you page. And now you have not only some profit, but you also have their first name and their email. Now, when the summit actually launches, then you will take them to the summit page where they will have speakers on there where they can watch each event, the speakers that talk on that specific time and day. Okay. Now, to build a summit funnel, it's very, very simple. Now, you can browse a variety of templates inside ClickFunnels. Now, I actually selected this one right here. Now, if I go to that funnel that I imported, you can see it is a 4-step sales funnel. Okay, now this is the opt-in page. Now you can basically drag and drop, change any type of information you want inside the ClickFunnels builder. Now, with a summit funnel, the dates and times are very important. So that's why you should always mention the date of when the summit is going to take place. And you can also include a VSL, a video sales letter here if you want. And you can mention how many speakers are in your summit, how many days it's going to be, and how they can actually watch the summit. Okay. Now you can list out all of the speakers here. Now, one thing as well is that maybe you don't have speakers that you are working with. Maybe you have your own types of videos, maybe previous interviews, or maybe a sequence of videos that are on a specific topic. You could use those here as well. Or other YouTube videos, other people's videos that you find online. They could be kind of like your speakers in your summit. And then you can list out the event schedule, the times on the specific date right here. And if they click on the register free button, this pop-up will appear where they can enter their full name and their email address. Now, on the second step, that is where you can actually earn some type of profit. Okay, so it looks like this. Upgrade to VIP today. Now this is how it looks like. So you can have another video explaining the VIP benefits, and you can list out the various benefits. So it could be the recordings, speaker notes, any additional supportive material. You can sell that and have this form that people can fill out, put in their credit card information to submit and purchase. Now on the third step is a thank you page. So this will list out the order, or if not, it'll still mention that they are officially enrolled in this free summit. So this is a perfect lead magnet, right? You have their leads, their emails, and you can email them and promote various other products for your business to grow your business with this summit funnel. Now, after they go through this 3 steps, then you will email them on the day of the summit to a page that looks like this. Okay, so welcome to day 1, and you can name your event right here. And this is the first topic, and you can put a YouTube live video here or any type of webinar software you can embed right here. Or if you've recorded these previously, like if you've worked with other experts, you can record the video and then upload it into your YouTube channel, and then you can paste that YouTube video here. So this is the first part of the summit, topic 1, with some information. And then after this is done, they can watch topic 2, so on and so forth. Now, another great thing about this lead magnet is that you can also sell additional things. Maybe you can offer what you mentioned in the order page, like the VIP benefits of getting access to the replays, to any additional speaker notes, or if your experts, your speakers are selling any specific thing, you can add them right here. You can add a link to whatever they are selling if you want, okay? So you can still monetize the summit page as well. Now you can duplicate this page. So this is day 1, and then you can duplicate it again to do a day 2, day 3, so on and so forth. So on the second day, you just take them to the new URL for day number 2, and then you'll update this top part right here with this one turned on, and then this one, and then at the end, this last one. So this is how you can use a summit funnel to not only collect leads, but also earn some type of money, profits with this free lead magnet. Okay. Now, if you want access to tons of sales funnels templates, don't forget to click the link in my description. I'll give you free access to my library of free sales funnels templates that I continuously add. Now, I built these myself, and you can get this completely free, including other bonuses that I will mention in a future video. And I will also give you a link to sign up to this 10-day challenge where you can start your own online business today and become profitable. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know by hitting that like button. Also leave your questions below as well. I'll answer each and every one of them. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.